Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dude, move! Dude, you cut me off. Did you not see me, man? Dude, you just cut me. I have a Dashcam, bro. I have a Dashcam, dude. Oh, you cut me off. I didn't cut you off. You're all the way back there. Dude, just move. You're blocking traffic. Then don't cut me off. You don't want to be haunted. Don't cut me off, dumbass. I don't give a dumbass. Don't cut people off, bro. Holy crap! Oh my god!
Before it gets so boring, a lot can change in 20 seconds. A lot can happen in the dark.
Good save. Good save. What are you doing? Dumb.
हल्का हल्का सुरूर हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये तेरी नजर का कसूर है कि शराब पीना सिखा दिया
Wow. I see a road trip in our future. Oh, good Lord, I would love that. You and I driving through Scranton.
Jesus.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.